I swear, every time I think about printers, my mind goes on a wild adventure. Like, have you ever stopped to wonder who the absolute mad lad was that invented these ink-spewing machines? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into a tale that's more epic than your favorite anime plot twist. Let's be real here. When we talk about the OG of printing, we're talking about Johannes Gutenberg. This guy was like, the Aaron Yeager of the 15th century, absolutely transforming the world as we know it. Europe, 1440-ish. Gutenberg sitting there, probably sipping on some medieval energy drink when he has this galaxy brain idea. He's like, you know what? I'm gonna make a machine that can print books faster than a bunch of monks with quills. And boom, the printing press is born. Now, the Gutenberg Bible wasn't just some random book. Oh no. This thing was the attack on Titan of its time, absolutely shattering the way information spread. Fast forward a bit, and we hit the Industrial Revolution. You know how in anime there's always that training arc where the protagonist levels up? That's basically what happened to printing. But guys, the real plot twist came with the digital age. We're talking like the kind of technological leap that'd make Senku from Dr. Stone lose his mind. Dot matrix printers came in like the first wave of weak enemies. Then inkjets and lasers showed up like the final boss battle. Suddenly, we could print in color at home without needing a degree in mechanics. It was a game changer, like going from black and white to full color anime. So, what's the next arc in this epic saga? Well, hold on to your wafers, because the future of printing is looking wild. We're talking 3D printers that can make anything from gunplay models to actual house parts. It's like we're living in a sci-fi anime, but it's real life. There's even talk about 4D printing, where objects can change shape over time. I mean, can you imagine printing out a transformer that actually transforms? And let's not forget about bioprinting. Yeah, you heard that right. Scientists are working on printing actual human organs. It's like, we're one step away from creating real-life homunculi or something. So yeah, that's the absolutely bonkers journey of the printer, from Gutenberg's big brain energy to the sci-fi level stuff we're working on now. It's a story wilder than any isekai plot, and it's still ongoing. What do you think? What's the next big printing plot twist going to be? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tales that'll blow your mind faster than a Kamehameha wave.